Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Tesla Model 3 horn sound. Tesla's Boombox feature lets you personalize your vehicle's external sounds. You can choose from several fun, preloaded options or upload your own unique audio files. To use custom sounds, you'll need a USB drive. Remember, the Boombox feature is only active when your Tesla is in park, so you can entertain friends or make a statement while stationary. First, prepare your USB drive. It needs to be formatted to exFAT, FAT32, or MS-DOS FAT for your Tesla to read it correctly. Next, create a new folder on the root of the USB drive and name it Boombox. Inside this folder, you can add up to 5 of your favorite MP3 or WAV audio files. For optimal performance, avoid spaces in your file names. Now, take your prepared USB drive and insert it into one of your Tesla's front USB ports. For some vehicles manufactured after November 2021, you might need to use the Glovebox USB port. On your Tesla's touchscreen, tap the app launcher, which looks like 3 dots, then select Toybox. From there, choose the Boombox feature. You'll see a drop-down menu where you can select your custom sound. Once you've selected your custom sound, you can set it to replace your standard horn. This personalized sound will play for the first 5 seconds when you press the horn. It can also be used for pedestrian warning sounds, adding a unique touch to your vehicle. Remember to check local laws regarding external sound usage. Now, enjoy your truly personalized Tesla experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.